Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put your Mac on sleep mode, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So I'm sure that you know that you do not have to shut down all the time your MacBook, but of course you can put on sleep mode, and you can do that if you go to the top of the screen and you click on this Apple logo icon, and then you can see the sleep option. Click on it. I'm not going to click on it because then it will put I will put my MacBook automatically in sleep and I cannot finish this video. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.